What we are about to sign today is the result of a collaborative work between government, NGOs in Slovenia and UNHCR.
Kar bomo danes podpisali, je pravzaprav skupno delo oziroma rezultat sodelovanja med slovensko vlado, nevladnimi organizacijami in pa Visokim komisarjatom za begunce.
These standard operating procedures are important for many reasons. The first one is that it has been a priority of the High Commissioner to have them established in every country that is receiving asylum seekers and refugees.
Skratka, ti standardni operativni postopki so zelo važni iz več razlogov. Prvi od katerih je ta, da morajo biti ti postopki uvedeni v vseh državah, ki sprejemajo begunce, iskalce zaščite po prioritetah UNHCR.
The main point is that those persons who are the victims of violence against them due to their gender are treated and looked after in the most appropriate way.
Cilj je tudi ta, da bi se s temi žrtvami nasilja, se pravi spolnega nasilja in nasilja po spolu pač ravnalo na primeren in ustrezen način.
This violence can of course be of many types. It can be physical, it can be sexual, it can be psychological. But whatever it is, it needs to be recognized and addressed appropriately.
Gre za nasilje, ki je lahko več vrst, obstaja duševno nasilje, spolno nasilje, fizično nasilje. Skratka, namen tega pa je, da se to nasilje pravilno in ustrezno uravnava.
What we are signing today is the product of a lot of meetings and discussions between all of the parties concerned and reflects the agreement of also all the parties concerned.
Skratka, ta dokument je plod več sestankov vseh upletenih strani in pa v bistvu odraža vse rezultate tega našega dela.
It's an important issue that needs to be addressed. It was addressed in a very serious way, and we're very pleased at the result that we have today.
Gre za važen problem in zelo veseli me, da smo prišli do današnjih rezultatov, kakšni so tu pred nami.
But as good as all of this is, the real work begins after we sign the agreement.
Čeprav je zdaj tako rekoč vse v redu, se pa pravo delo šele začenja.
And the real challenge is to put it into practice.
In resnični izziv, ki je pred nami, je vse to vnesti v prakso.
So that those persons who are the unfortunate victims of this sort of violence are looked after and treated and become well again.
Skratka, da se vse te uboge žrtve nasilja obravnava na primeren način, ustrezen način in da se jih ozdravi.
I'm very pleased to be able to come and sign today, and I would like to thank once again all the people who contributed to the final outcome of these very important standard operating procedures.
Skratka, še enkrat zelo veseli, da sem prišel sem in se zahvaljujem vsem upletenim za njihovo delo pri pripravi tako imenovanih standardnih operativnih postopkov. Hvala lepa še.
Thank you.
Hvala, gospod Miloš.